Hello everyone, my name is Fazal. You are watching MFA Civil Engineering. Slag from a blast furnace is actually a waste product, but it can be profitably used for the manufacturing of a cement. This cement is similar to the ordinary Portland cement and only gain the full strength a bit later. This cement is quite economical compared to the ordinary Portland cement. The blast furnace slag must be rapidly cooled to obtain a granulated slag which has solidified as a glass. If slag is not rapidly cooled, then it will form a crystalline structure which is useless for the manufacturing of a cement. The use of a blast furnace slag has increased the India's cement output considerably. This cement is resistant to the sulfate attack and the other chemical actions, and the cement is mainly used in a marine construction.